So, no assistance. Free skate.
No walker.
Go ahead, so take off. Oh, oopsie daisy. You're okay.
You just look how far you went.
Look.
You went all the way from over there, all the way to here by yourself. I'm so proud of you.
All right, let's see you go again.
Mommy's gonna make some more videos. I got you. No, you gotta do it by yourself, otherwise you're not skating by yourself. But I'll catch you if you fall. I'll skate even closer to you so you don't fall. Okay? Look at that.
Keep going. Woo!
Right here, so come right here. Keep going.
Mommy.
Yeah.
This is the best year in skiing.
Yeah.
Okay, keep going.
Okay.